exploring the essence and reality of Christ. Today, we will delve into the widely discussed topic of Christ consciousness and the various forms through which we perceive it. Consciousness serves as the connecting thread among these three realms. It flows through the causal plane as divine thoughts, through the astral plane as light and energy, and through the material plane as the force that manifests the forms we perceive. It represents the unifying essence that is intrinsic to all existence. This is the divine intelligence that imparts order and significance to the cosmos. To grasp this concept, consider the analogy of supreme light and a crystal. Visualize a brilliant, pure white light in an infinite void. This light radiates in all directions, yet there's nothing for it to illuminate. Now imagine that from this supreme light, it concentrates its energy so intensely that it materializes into the form of a blue spiritual crystal. The white light shines through the void and around the crystal. It also passes through the crystal itself, transforming into blue light as it does so. This results in a new expression of light that didn't exist before. Thus, the singular light appears in two forms, as white light and as blue light within the crystal. The blue light is not separate from the original white light, but is a manifestation of it, conditioned by the crystal. In this analogy, the white light and its source symbolize the unmanifested Supreme Spirit. The crystal represents the vibratory creation and material world. The blue light signifies Christ consciousness, the reflection of the infinite within the finite. This analogy aligns with the profound truth of the Holy Spirit, a concept essential for clarity. The Holy Spirit represents the spirit of creation, an absolutely relational dynamic. Here, the untouched and infinite Supreme Spirit becomes the Father, the source and sustainer of all existence. The vibration of creation, the cosmic hum, embodies the Holy Spirit, the intelligent creative force that animates and sustains the universe. As the light of the Supreme Spirit radiates into this vibration, it manifests as Christ consciousness. This is universal intelligence embedded within creation, guiding and upholding it according to the divine plan. Thus, the Holy Trinity reflects the eternal interplay between the unmanifested and the manifested. The Father exists beyond creation, transcending it. The Holy Spirit represents the vibratory power that brings forms into existence. Christ consciousness embodies the divine light within this vibration, present in every particle of creation. It serves as the bridge between the finite and the infinite. This relationship illustrates the unity of spirit in its three expressions: source, energy, and consciousness. Each is inseparable from the other. Creation itself arises from vibration, known in spiritual traditions as the Word, and in Eastern philosophies as Aum or Om. It is said that in the beginning, the Word was with God, and the Word was God. This Word represents the first vibration, the divine sound that brought all things into being. Science supports this understanding, revealing that everything in the universe, from the tiniest particle to the largest star, is in a state of vibration. Every form is a frozen wave of energy, and every sound is a ripple in the cosmic ocean. Therefore, Christ consciousness is not only the sustainer of the universe, but also the guiding force within each individual. It is the divine spark residing in every soul, the reflection of the infinite within the finite. But if Christ consciousness exists within everything, why do we not all have supreme access to it? This limitation mirrors the challenges faced in Eastern practices. Dubz World 02222025